No, you're welcome. Abịakwala m ọzọ, onye nkuzi Igbo. Today I'm going to teach you three Igbo words that sounds alike, spelled alike, pronounced alike, but means different things. Again, three Igbo words that sounds alike, spelled alike, pronounced alike, but have different meanings. Ị bụrụ nwata Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo, Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka gị onye ọma njem ọnụ, ya mere m ji akụzi asụsụ Igbo. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. Three Igbo words that sounds alike, spelled alike, and pronounced alike. Number one, agwa, beans. Agwa, beans. Beans bụ agwa n'Igbo. Beans, agwa. Then the second one, agwa, character. Agwa, character. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. Agwa, character. Then lastly, agwa, color. Agwa, color. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. Please follow this page, share this page, like, comment. Learn Igbo language with Adigbo. And in case you have any question, please use the comment section. Let me answer your question. In this page, we learn Igbo language. Remember, Igbo language is our culture. Igbo language is our heritage. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị. Asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. Ngwa, ka m kọrọ gị esi wee ghọta these three words. Let me explain. They are being pronounced alike, they sound alike, and spelled alike. But firstly, the way you are going to differentiate them is in the sentence you're making. Firstly, I want to eat beans. Achọrọ m iri agwa. That clears it. I want to eat beans. Achọrọ m iri agwa. Then the second one, agwa, which is character. Agwa, which is character. Nwatakịrị a nwere ajọ agwa. Nwatakịrị a nwere ajọ agwa. Or isi, nwata nwaanyị a nwere ajọ agwa. That's, this child has a bad character. This child has a bad character. Agwa, character. I hope you're getting it in the context. It's in the sentence that you really differentiate it. But in the pronunciation and spelling, they sound alike and spelled alike. Okay, the next one, agwa color. Agwa color. Nwata nwaanyị a yi akwa agwa eke. Nwata nwaanyị a yi akwa agwa eke. That girl is wearing animal skin color. That girl is wearing animal skin color clothes. Okay? That girl is wearing animal skin color clothes. I hope you're understanding it now. It's in the sentence that you can actually differentiate these words clearly. Please, I want to also say that there are so many Igbo words that sound alike, pronounce alike, but mean different things. As time goes on, I will keep sharing it with you. And mind you, this agwa, beans, agwa, character, and agwa, color have different marks on them. Why spelling it. And I'll also show you this video. I will also show you how it's been differentiated. But basically, they are spelled alike and pronounced alike. Okay, and in case if you have any question, please use the comment section and I'll answer you. Remember, achọrọ m iri agwa. I want to eat beans. Nwata a yi akwa agwa eke. That girl or that child is wearing animal skin colored clothes. Okay? That girl has a bad character. That girl has a bad character means na nwata nwaanyị a nwere ajọ agwa. Nwata nwaanyị a nwere ajọ agwa. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Ka m jedebegodi ebe a n'ụbọchị taa. Ka anyị chere mbọsị ọzọ. For now, let me end this video here so that you can go over the video again and learn all these things. Then we'll come again to start the next class. Kemesia. Bye. Kemesia.